lifetime HRO supporter and love the station and all the programming that's available. And my wife and I are big fans of All Creatures Great and Small, so this sounded like kind of a neat thing to come down and see the season premiere.
I think that this is one of the better shows on television. I watched the original one many years ago. I read the books, and it's lovely that you folks give us this opportunity.
There's some new characters coming on board who are going to be working with the rest of the vets, so I'm interested to see that dynamic. New people, old characters, and how they interact together, yeah. And of course, there's every episode, there's always fun with the animals.
Is that the one that contains dumplings? No, there's dumplings, it's stew.
It's just really well done. They move the story along, and the writing is great, and the actors are amazing, and it was a lovely experience.
I thought it was wonderful to be able to get a few days extra time and see it on a much bigger screen than you were at home. And so I liked it. It was just nice also to have a chance. This is the first time I've been able to come to this event.
I love All Creatures Great and Small. I've been waiting for it to come out. I even wore what I thought looked sort of like the outfit today. I almost wore rubber wellies to finish off the look. So obviously I'm a fan, and the fact that I got to see it perhaps even sooner, a few days, than when it gets on the screen, I was excited. So that was a great experience. Loved the popcorn and sitting with the group, all the laughter, and people just enjoying it.
So my great nanny, Al White, who is James Herriot in the show, his daughter was a doctor, and my connection to the family is actually my great nanny used to go to his daughter because she was a physician.
I enjoy the show because it tells people about like veterans and the war and different animals, and it actually it helps you learn some new things because it like tells you diseases that animals could have and different things.
My wife, who's been reading the All Creatures Great and Small books since she was a little girl, got tickets for us or registered for us. So when she said she wanted to come, I was like, yeah, I'm in.
I think the nostalgia and the simpler way of life, but also the realization that our lives are so good. People back in that time paved the way for an easier way of life. I mean, they struggled. It was really hard. And I don't think we can take for granted how good we have it as a comparison to them.
Honestly, I think the rest of the season's going to be great. I think that to be able to watch the premiere here before just feels extra special, and to watch it with other people that are kind of follow it as much as you do just makes it kind of special and makes it seem like I'm really happy that our local station does this. It's like an extra perk.